Hello my good friend, today I'll show you how to create a shortcut in QGIS. Uh, Along working with QGIS, you can find some of the task is a little bit repetitive. So to make things very consistent in your workflow, you just need to have like the shortcut so that you can use in your daily tasks. For example, if just I just want to open at open properties of this layer, so just right click and then go to properties, click, and then proceed with my things. But for my I just find these steps or this workflow is a bit repetitive, so I just intended to create a shortcut so that it can smoothly my workflow. So for example, if you just go to setting and then you will see like the keyboard shortcuts. So if you just click on the keyboard shortcut, you'll find this window, and then we'll have a planned number of shortcut that we have for real. For example, adding the limited text layer, you just have to control shift plus T, and then adding all spatial layer, it's just control shift plus O, and then adding Python feature is just control plus nota, and then adding PostGIS layer is just control, and many. So for example, for mine, I just found myself opening a property of my layer is just kind of repetitive to me, so just let's searching layer properties, and then I found right here. So this is, so I just intended to put my shortcut is P. So let me just try to change. So for example, if you just close, and then this is my layer, and so I put this, and then if you just click P, it direct goes to layer properties. So if you just want to change or some a little bit, so just go to setting again, and then keyboard shortcuts, and then I just want to search layer property, and then here layer properties here. So just click here, and then I just click on the change, and then my input, I just want it to be as A, and then close, done. So if you just click this layer and click A, then it will open the layer properties. For now, let me just go to set another shortcut, setting keyboard shortcuts, and then I just want to search IDW. So IDW, I just want to look for, let me just use for now centroid. For real, I just want to set my shortcut for centroid, so just change, and then I just input the shortcut. I just want to put it C. And then I'll also change my layer properties, so I can just search layer properties, and then I just want it to return to P, so just click here, click on change, and then put P, done. So after that, I just want to save this shortcut of mine, this layer property shortcut of mine, to a file. So I'll just save to XML file. So click on the save user shortcut, or you can also save all shortcuts. So I just want to save user shortcut. So if you click that, I just want to save XML file. So I'm gonna save to my files. Let me save it right here. Then I'll just type layer properties. So that will help me if I just want to send to someone or to share to someone, it will be easy for me to save right away. So just click save, done. So if you close again, this is how we can do. For example, I just want to do centroid on these districts. So if click here and then click C, directly open the centroid. So I'll just perform the centroid. Thanks. So that's how we are creating shortcuts to smooth our workflow, especially when we find ourselves we been working with the things that is much and repetitive. Thanks, guys.